This is where my window got destroyed. Let's have a look. I reckon I can reuse this tint, bruh. They've gone on track and grabbed the whole window. Anyway, I've got my sticker back. Wait, bitch handle. Yeah. Hey, you should have had one of them.
Ironically, that's why that happened, because I didn't have one.
Donkey, bro.
Oh, whoopsie.
I'm gonna go to just the school course and Coop can do a bow now. Four doors on 4 doors on 4 doors. Between us, we have 20 doors, boys.
That's a lot of doors.
Good morning, you gronks. We're heading back to the track today. After a pretty chaotic day yesterday, I'm pretty sure we're just going to spend a bit of time sorting the cars out more. I'm going to try and maybe start getting my kit on and mirrors on and stuff. That's the plan, but I'm going to do a like half day of driving, which will be sort of this afternoon. So that's the plan. Should be a good day. Lovely weather, lovely temperature. So ready to go. Driving out onto school course in the rental, trying to find part of my window. I want to find one of my stickers because I think that'd be a funny thing to like frame. But yeah, this is where my window got destroyed and my door. There's part of my window. Let's have a look. I reckon I can reuse this tint, bruh. Just get that off the truck as well. Oh, I found it. That's really funny. Thanks, Dave. I was only on my car for 5 laps. It was very funny. I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I don't know that I'm finding that sticker, but I'd like to. Yeah, I really wish I had footage. It went real deep, real wide here, and then real deep, real wide here, and then somehow he's like pumped me here. Anyway, a good laugh nonetheless. The only issue is I now need to find a fucking door. Anyway, no, I'm going to give up. This is no good. That's super funny. So we're both just rocked up at like the same time, and I had obviously my sticker. So I've walked over, but oh, should I reinstall this on the window? Turns out they've gone on track and grabbed the whole window. So yeah. And David, David cut his hand. He's got a boo-boo.
Oh, fine. I found it.
Anyway, I've got my sticker back. Wait, bitch handle.
Yeah.
Hey, you should have had one of them.
That's ironically, that's why that happened, because I didn't have one.
Donkey, bro.
Oh, whoopsies.
Anyway, so yes, I love that we had the exact same idea. Apparently I just filmed the clip as well, going and getting that window. So literally the same idea, pulling into the track, we're like, let's just go have a look. So yeah, anyway, that's why I couldn't find anything more with the window, because it was still intact and on my car. Alright, so unfortunately I tried to chuck a new mirror on, but the mirrors didn't come with base plates, so I was going to have to drill through some pretty awkward spots to make it work. So I just chucked the old base plate back on with no mirror. I'll get back to that next trip probably. I'm also going to see if they can fast track some base plates to me while I'm in Japan, but for now, I'm going to just test fit all the kit. So rear bar going on, side skirts, I'll pull that in a sec. And I've got my front bar here as well. So, dummy all that up, see how it looks, chuck the fog lights in, then probably swap the kit back out onto what's currently on it so that I don't damage the new kit before painting it, because I feel like with this being what happens in one lap, bit concerned to see what happens for the rest of the trip before I paint it next trip. So, gonna run the old kit, but yeah, gonna test fit the new one now. Alright, so that's the rear bar off. This is how she looks. Full beta spec. So let's chuck the other one on, see how that looks. Alright, let's sort of put the new bumper on. Exhaust fits through nicely, which is good, but this, when it's up, we're sort of missing that sort of piece there, so I might have to trim that out of the old bar. But yeah, I just need to make a couple trims here, trim on here, and then a couple trims over here because of the damage. We've got the front bar kind of half just sitting there to have a look, but it's gonna be fucking low. I also definitely need a trim, which is fine. I was expecting that, but I don't think that's gonna need really any trimming, which is nice. So very good. Alright, so skirt basically goes straight on. It'll need a very small bit of trimming just here. So that's going to look north. Basically the exact same as that, just very slightly lower. So that's good. We got the new guards that are half sitting on. Obviously corner lights on the wrong side. So this is silicone at the moment. So I'm going to have to remove that, but because I was sort of just doing a dummy fit to get a bit of an idea of what I need to trim. Like obviously now I need to trim here, and there might be a little section down here I need to trim, but again, that's not even on properly yet. Also because of the damage I've done, I was actually going to trim this out so I could mount easier, but now I realise that actually mounts the light, so that's going to work. So we're not going to take the corner light off yet, because if we do that, then I can't drive with indicators for the rest of today. So I'm going to chuck this back on, and chuck the old skirt back on, because otherwise I won't be able to run it. And yeah, go for a little drive, I reckon, because it's almost midday. By the time we finish that, it'll be midday and we can then do our half day. Let's go. The spoiler fits mint. Just needs tape. Gonna need a new street carnage sticker, because that's gone. And if anyone knows this bloke, get him to send me a sticker. Gonna chuck the old kit back on. Maybe. I don't know. Might just go drive it as it is for now. And I'll do this tomorrow. Dave wants to drive. Brandon's going to be here soon as well, so maybe we'll go for a little drive. And how far off these guys are? How far off are you doing, Go?
Probably just going to get oil pressure and put another pipe back on, maybe like another...
You're on the pipe, bub.
hour, mate. Yeah. Nah, probably less than that. I just got to finish checking a few things, check the compressor housing bolts, get it some more pressure, the pipe on, we can start it, and then chuck the wheel back on, start the fuel system.
There you go. So yeah, these guys have just done high flow turbo on it and wastegate external. It's going to make way better noises.
Had to modify that screamer to fit there.
Oh, that's right.
It's in there nicely now.
Yeah, they made. Did you do any? No,
Yeah.
You brought the manifold with you.
Brought the manifold over. The screamer was already pre-done by Hypergear, and it didn't fit. So yeah, we just had to make some arrangements and
gave it a little trim, and now it's pointing out a bit better.
beautiful.
Look at that. Anyway, that'll sound good. But yeah, so that's what's going on with this, and then they're doing a surge tank in the rear, I think. But are we doing laps today?
No.
No laps today. Test laps maybe, you reckon? All right, so we're going back together. We're gonna go for a little drive. There's a few bolts still not in there because I didn't really care because it's all gonna come back off, but that's gonna be a bit flippy floppy. Yeah, good for a little drive. So Dave's just headed out. I'm gonna head out with him, go to Nishi for a bit, and yeah, have some fun. All right, Dave's made it down, but yeah, the tire's leaking a bit of air, so anyway, we'll go for a little drive and tap some doors, but hopefully not as hard as yesterday because that hurt a bit. Not after yesterday, bud. You lost your chase privileges a little moment ago, bud. I thought it was that. I heard something behind me. I was like, did you hear something weird? And Chris was like, maybe. I'll go get you some wheels. So I didn't film anything, but Dave debated, which is why we came off track, and then we went and got him some wheels, but then one of them didn't have air, so we brought the wheel down. But yes, anyway, he's heading back up. We just went and checked. Turns out all of these bays have air in them, which is cool, but we didn't have hose. But yeah, then I blew my bar off just in the parking lot. So we're gonna go to just the school course, and not school course, what do we call this? Kurokura land. And Coop can do a burnout.
You fucking get a full
And Bowensie, so Burnouts. Man's doing some burnouts. He's making the horse of the horse of the horse. Burnout. It's good with a bit more grip, eh?
Yeah, fucking way more.
Yeah, it's like you go to just sort of chill with it, and then it's like, no.
Oh. Guess I'm coming out.
Hey?
So I guess I'm going
We're
out.
going this way now. I forgot to film, but we've been trying to get some handbrake control. Yeah, bit happy on the throttle coming out of it. That was the way to do it. So apparently Bowen's missus is doing her first ever bone out. The tyres are like already dead because she was doing some skids before, but yeah, this will be interesting. Have the rubber just coming across the track. So he's definitely done some burnouts. So now it's my turn to do some burnouts. So I fully forgot to film, but yeah, basically he got much better at the handbrake. And now we're heading out and Lucy because Bowen's out there. So yeah, let's go for some laps. Cooper trying to show you that he knows how to handbrake now.
Kind of.
Kind of. Well, you didn't hit the cone, so it's a win. Oh yeah, to be fair, I've absolutely roasted the tyres now, so yeah, there's no tread anymore. So you're welcome. Good luck. It'll teach you how to be a good driver. Maybe.
What am I doing?
What are you doing?
I don't know, mate.
I don't know. Yeah, boy. Oh, wait, stop. I don't think, I thought that was tie up. I don't think it was now. Yeah, we're right, let's go.
Yeah, I was like, we'll go out.
Yeah, we have no tread. Like, I was literally like, I probably shouldn't let him. We need my bar. It is a slippery boy. My bar. Yeah, my bar. Alright, so that's more or less the look of the whole car with the wheels on it. Obviously it's, yeah, you've got to have spaces on the rear because normally I would not want them quite that far in, but yeah, pretty happy with how it's sort of looking. And with the purple matching all the purple. Fuck yeah. Alright, I'm going to turn some more laps with Dave. We've only got about half an hour. And then that's day done. Alright, so we ended up going back to the pits, changing tyres, and then we had a quick feed. Now we're back down on the main track. Productive day. So Nick's car's just had wastegate and everything put on it, now runs. It's got the surge tank in it now as well. New turbo, new manifold. My car's got the kit for the half mocked up. Got to trim that tomorrow, but got some good laps in with the boys. David's used up some tyres as well, so good laps there as well. Brando's here. The Loz out of fucking retirement. The Seffi, Chris's car's out as well. This one is a bit of fuck. But yes, coilovers snapped, new headlights, new tail lights. Needs a bit. I think he's only doing one headlight. Anyway, lots of stuff to do, but 4 doors on 4 doors on 4 doors. Between us, we have 20 doors, boys. That's a lot of doors. Anyway, I'll check back in tomorrow. Cheers for watching. Love, bye.